fantastic, wholesome, as a very planned, organized the program. So we are very happy with this.
I think it was well organized. I mean, we never got lost. Every time we needed anything, we found help. So yeah, and everything was in its place, very well organized.
All the people from the world came here, and we enjoyed last 2 days. And last 2 days that we learned about what the HVAC new trends are coming up. We had a session on the technical session where new technologies came up. Then yesterday we also had a İSİB and ASHRAE business B2B meeting.
Had more time to go to the city and tour the other areas. Though I have seen Istanbul, I love it.
Well, this event is pretty much did well, and the organization, the accommodation, the trainings, the meetings are very exciting, inspiring, and helpful.
Wonderful in terms of everything, in terms of the professionality, in terms of the integrity of the community of ASHRAE members. So it was quite nice experience, really.
From the Turkish side, I think everything was fine and beautiful,
It's a great experience, and it's been wonderfully organized. We are loving the hosts, and we are loving the host country.
It's an unfortunate part of it, yeah. On the way we have seen, the Antalya seems to be a nice city.
Hopefully you'll get a chance to explore it sometime.
Let's hope, yeah, we would prefer to come back again, yeah, surely.
The organization was very well done. We want to thank the Turkish chapter for organizing this. The hotel is a very nice location, and the space is beautiful.
It was fine and good organization. It was great time. I enjoyed.
Organized, did not have anything to worry about, any issues. Perfect. Keep going.
I think it was beautifully organized. Everything was on time, managed. The facility is excellent. The hotel excellent. Really, it was a great setup.
Yes, according to me, it was very good for us and for my company.
The best part of Turkey always is the student members being volunteers for the CRC, and we enjoyed the company of all the other members out here. The outings in the evening, the dinners, as well as the parties in the night was fantastic also. Plus we are here for business, and we had good meetings across the 3 days, and I'm hoping to take it forward from there.
Herkese teşekkür ediyoruz. RAL'ın 2018 Antalya'daki gerçekleştirdiğimiz toplantı İstediğimiz şekilde sonuçlandı. Başarılı bir şekilde bütün gelen misafirleri konuk ettik. Bütün toplantılar yapıldı. Gelen misafirlerimizden özellikle gelen sektör çalışanlarıyla birlikte B2B toplantılarında faydalı görüşmeler yapıldı. İnşallah bu sektörümüzün gelişmesine katkı sağlayacaktır. Ayrıca öğrencilerimizin yaptığı görüşmeler, aktiviteleri tecrübe kazanmasına neden olmuştur. Bundan sonra ASHRAE bu tür çalışmalarına devam edecektir. Bize yardım eden, katkı sağlayan, destek sağlayan bütün paydaşlarımıza teşekkür ediyoruz.